Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So as you guys can tell from the title of the video, I am going to be showing you guys how I created this look using just one eyeshadow. This is very simple, it's beginner friendly. Anyone can do this look and you can use whatever color you want to use. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to start with these brows. Just brush them up real quick. I'm going to be using the LA Colors brow pencil, and this is in the color black brown. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Cool Tan to clean up my brows. Okay, so now I'm going to take that leftover concealer and I'm just going to use that as the base for my eyeshadow. And I'm just putting that over my whole eyelid. And you want to make sure it's nice and even. So next what you want to do is find whatever that one color is you're going to use for your eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the matte book, and I'm going to be using this shade of blue right here. And so I'm just going to take that blue, and I'm just going to pack it on my eyelid. So after you've got that color packed on really good, you want to take you a clean fluffy brush. You want to just go over that hard line and you kind of want to just blend it out. Okay, so now since I finished packing on the color and blending it out, I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeliner. And I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes. Okay, I got these lashes popped on. I'm gonna go ahead and start my face. So now I'm going to take this black eyeliner, I'm going to apply that to my waterline. I'm going to take that small blue brush, the small fluffy brush that I used earlier to blend out the eyeshadow first. I'm just going to take that, and I'm not going to dip it into the blue eyeshadow anymore. I'm just going to take whatever is on the brush already. I'm just going to lightly sweep underneath my eye. We're going to add some mascara to those bottom lashes. You can also take whatever highlight you're using and go ahead and add just a little bit of that highlight on your brow bone. And then you can also take it and add it to your inner corner of your eyes. And then you want to go ahead and spray. So I really don't want to take away from the blue in the eye, so I'm going to stick with a new lip. So I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Cairo. I'm going to go over it with this Makeup Revolution lip topper. Alright y'all, so that is it for this one eyeshadow tutorial. This is a really cute look and it's super simple, so anybody can do it. Just remember to make sure that you pack that shadow on your lid and then blend it out from there. You don't want to pack it on too high, because then once you blend it out, it'll blend all the way up to your eyebrows. So like I said, you want to make sure that you just pack it on your lid and then blend it upward and out from there. Alright? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, head over there and do that at simply.shon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure that you go ahead and drop them in the comment box below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.